Alright, sayibona nibantule njani siyaphila. Right, namhlanje ngizele new design. Into engakazi bekhona njalo into ongasoze waphinda wayibona. Mhlawumbe ungaphinda uyibone siyenzeka kwabanye abantu. Kodwa namhlanje ngoba lesazi sisebenza ngamakhabhathi. A small business elokishini uma umuntu nje ngizikhipha busy ngingafuni ukuthi ngihamba hamba endaweni eziningi. So namhlanje siyanethwa imvula. So right now two door ne one draw, but now akusi draw le. This is a small door. You see? It's a small door. Uyafaka ama spoon, ufake nani phakathi lapha yana. Bheka, it's very nice. Nayi enye yakhona idoor encinca ngithi. So that is a 3 door. This one it looks like a drawers, but it's not a drawers. So this is a big drawer. You're gonna put all stuff here. So guys, ngicela lingifonele. Ling WhatsApp, ngingambona ngekho WhatsApp ngifonelani ngoba ngihleli ngibusy. Ngiyatholakala eOR khona la. Ngiyalungisela into ezi right. Esikhathini esiningi silokubona ama client anokuthi ama runners. Sinama runners into kanje, so mase ngayisebenzisa kuma drawers lana. That ayikhona ukuthi last isikhathi eside. It's not my fault. Asi fault yet not, but sikuthola khona ngale lapha esikuthenga khona. So usho ukuthi after some few months bese kuphumile ama screws akhona lana se runners ingasakwazi ukudonseka. So now it's a easy way ukuthi siyenze kanje. You understand? Iyavuleka nje kahle, iyavala. Na enye uyakwazi nje ufaka ipackage lapho liyakwana la phakathi. That lana siyafaka all stuff. So bantu bakithi ngicela ngifonele siconfirm iprice. Ngifonele usho ukuthi hayi izinto ngiyakhala mina ngiphethe imali engaka ngifuna le cupboard. Ngiyakwenzela kube smart. Right, good, thank you.